like uh, if I'm giving an online consult, the doctor who is giving an online consult, uh, uh, where is he writing that? When is he writing that prescription? Is he writing that prescription while he's seeing the patient? That's critical. And can the software or can the product that he's using, can he give it evidence of the fact that this prescription was written at that point in time? Second is once this record is sort of stored in the system, who can amend this record? Can this record be amended? If you amend that record, are you keeping a track of who's amending the record? I mean, these are critical things. So it is not possible that I gave an X recommendation right now because I own the system, and tomorrow I can go and change my prescription. The system should be able to clearly say that this is what was written at date A, and because of XYZ reasons, then there was a change that was done, and that change must be tracked. So these are two critical things, that there must be authenticity of when the record was created, how the record was created. The second is in terms of amending the record. So who can amend the record? Will you be keeping a copy of that amendment of the record that has happened? Will you be able to produce that, right? So these are two critical things in terms of how you store the data. Now, obviously, because you are using an information technology system, you can have the data for a long period of time.